Hi beauties, welcome back. LANEIGE's Bouncy Plus Firm Radiance Boosting Sleeping Mask is truly a game changer in the world of overnight skincare treatments. Having tried numerous products before, I can confidently say that this one stands out from the rest. From the moment I applied it, I could feel its instant effect on my skin, an immediate softness and hydration that was nothing short of remarkable. What impressed me the most is the texture and consistency of the cream. It's thick enough to feel indulgent without being heavy or greasy, and it absorbs effortlessly into the skin. The scent is delightful, adding to the overall sensory experience of using this mask. Waking up after a night of using this mask, my skin felt plumped, hydrated, and incredibly refreshed. It's as if I had treated myself to a spa session while I slept. The peony and collagen complex, along with the Hydra Melt Glow capsules, worked wonders in revitalizing and firming my skin, delivering both immediate and long-term benefits. What's more, knowing that this product is free of harmful ingredients such as parabens, phthalates, and sulfates gives me peace of mind about what I'm putting on my skin. In terms of results, I couldn't be more pleased. My skin looked brighter, more radiant, and felt noticeably softer and bouncier after just a few uses. It's rare to find a product that delivers on its promises so effectively, but LANEIGE has certainly done it with this sleeping mask. Overall, I wholeheartedly recommend LANEIGE's Bouncy Plus Firm Radiance Boosting Sleeping Mask to anyone looking to elevate their nighttime skincare routine. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, or loss of firmness and elasticity, this mask has got you covered. Treat yourself to the luxury of waking up with smoother, bouncier skin. You won't regret it.